The Bike Plus boots a full version of Android, the same mobile operating system that ran phones back in 2015, and in under 90 seconds, Checkpoint researchers proved they could load a fake firmware update, take root of the console, and switch on the built-in camera without a single light, icon, or notification ever changing on screen. Peloton sold that camera as a headline feature, not an afterthought. The Bike Plus and the standalone guide unit use it to power lane brake and live form tracking, framing your living room from a fixed angle on every single ride, which means the entire 22-inch touchscreen console is really a general-purpose Android tablet welded onto a stationary bike, not a narrow, locked-down fitness gadget with limited permissions like a basic pedometer or a wall clock. In November 2021, Checkpoint Research disclosed the flaw as CVE 2021-33887. The bootloader shipped unlocked and unverified straight from the factory, so anyone with roughly 60 seconds of physical access to the console, a delivery driver during setup, a gym maintenance tech, a hotel staffer restocking towels nearby, could flash custom firmware onto the tablet that survived a complete factory reset and quietly granted persistent root access to both the camera and the microphone, with zero prompt warning banner or consent screen ever shown to the person about to start pedaling. New one drops every day, so subscribe if you want the next hidden feature landing in your feed automatically before it ever makes headlines somewhere else. The implication reaches far past any single apartment or living room. Peloton placed thousands of Bike Plus units in hotel gyms, corporate wellness centers, and shared apartment complex fitness rooms, machines touched by hundreds of different strangers every single month. And any one of those strangers only needed that same 60-second window to plant persistent access long before the next guest or renter ever clipped a shoe in for 1 mile. Drop a comment and tell me if you already knew your Bike Plus camera has no hardware indicator light that changes when it actually starts streaming. Because Peloton did patch the original exploit path by mid-2022, but security researchers flagged a second, quieter problem right afterward. Second-hand units resold through Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist can still arrive pre-flashed today, since nothing anywhere on the console tells a new owner whether some previous rider ever unlocked that bootloader first, and no factory reset removes it. So the machine tracking your form and cheering you through a climb every morning is, underneath the branding, an unlocked Android computer with a camera pointed straight at your living room, a booming resale market with zero chain of custody, and a manufacturer that only discovered the hole after outside researchers broke in first to prove it existed. Hit the bell so tomorrow's secret lands in your feed before you even open the app.